I've never seen so many buses in my life. I'm so excited. This is so freaking cool.
Michelle from Panorama again. I made it to the top.
The mission is to raise awareness and remind members of Congress and the Trump administration that the industry has laid off 90% of its workforce because of COVID-19 and needs federal assistance. Jamie Morrow will leave tomorrow afternoon to join in on a rally following hundreds of other coach bus owners that are already hitting the road.
Been a long and tough fight for those working on the front lines against the coronavirus, and for those supporting frontline workers, they too are everyday heroes. Channel 3's Joe Zone recognizes some who may be overlooked.
You may not be thinking of bus drivers as everyday heroes, but then you have a hurricane or a tornado or a wildfire, and these are the guys who are bringing people in and out of danger. For sure, these frontline heroes have been having problems getting to the front lines. The people who run the bus industry have been looking for assistance from the government. Everyday heroes who right now can't get the job done every day.
More on that, let's go live once again to RT correspondent Michelle Greenstein, who's joining us from the streets of Washington, D.C. Who now and what do they want, Michelle?
Rick, we're talking about Motorcoaches, these buses. I'm at the Motorcoaches Rolling for Awareness rally, and about 1,000 buses are circling the Capitol right now. Now, as you know, the response to the COVID-19 outbreak has really caused this kind of bus travel to, all but halt, right? So as a result, the industry has been virtually decimated. You may know Motorcoaches in terms of tourism, but they also transport essential workers, they transport the U.S. military, they transport FEMA, sports teams, school kids, all the people that we don't even think about moving back and forth across the country. In fact, the U.S. bus industry moves over 600 million people each year. If these bus operators and companies don't get some of the relief they're asking for, we might have to add them to the list of entities fighting not to go obsolete.